In Houston's competitive housing market, homeowners are always looking for smart upgrades that improve comfort while increasing resale value. One upgrade that consistently delivers on both fronts is the installation of custom bay windows. More than just a design feature, bay windows can transform how your home looks, feels, and functions, inside and out. Why bay windows add value in Houston homes? Houston homes benefit greatly from natural light, open layouts, and architectural character. Custom bay windows combine all three. By extending outward from the home, bay windows create additional interior space while enhancing curb appeal. This added square footage, often used as a reading nook, seating area, or decorative space, makes rooms feel larger and more inviting, a major selling point for buyers. From the exterior, bay windows add dimension and sophistication. In neighborhoods where many homes share similar designs, a custom bay window helps your property stand out instantly. Buyers often associate bay windows with higher-end homes, which can positively influence perceived value. Custom design makes all the difference. Unlike standard window replacements, custom bay windows are designed specifically for your home's layout, style, and lighting needs. Whether your house is traditional, modern, or somewhere in between, customization ensures the window complements your architecture rather than looking like an afterthought. You can choose from different angles, frame materials, finishes, and glass options. Want a cozy breakfast nook in the kitchen? A dramatic focal point in the living room? Or extra light in a bedroom overlooking the yard? Custom bay windows are tailored to your lifestyle, not just your floor plan. Energy efficiency for Houston's climate. Houston's heat and humidity make energy efficiency a top priority. Today's custom bay windows can be built with advanced features like low-E glass, insulated frames, and double or triple panes. These upgrades help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce heat gain, and lower cooling costs, benefits buyers actively look for when touring homes. Energy-efficient windows also reduce strain on your HVAC system, which means less maintenance and longer system life. When paired with proper installation, custom bay windows can improve overall home performance while keeping interiors comfortable year-round. Increasing functional living space. One of the most overlooked benefits of bay windows is the functional space they add. That extra ledge can become seating, storage, or decor space, depending on how you design it. In smaller Houston homes or townhouses, this added usability can be especially valuable. Homebuyers often imagine themselves enjoying morning coffee by a sunny window or curling up with a book in a bright alcove. These emotional connections can make your home more memorable and more desirable during showings. Strong return on investment. Window upgrades are known for offering solid returns, and bay windows tend to outperform standard replacements due to their visual impact and added space. While the upfront cost is higher than flat windows, custom bay windows can significantly boost perceived home value, helping justify a higher asking price when it's time to sell. In Houston, where buyers value both aesthetics and efficiency, a well-designed bay window can be a deciding factor between comparable homes. Professional installation matters. To truly maximize value, professional installation is essential. Custom bay windows require precise measurements, proper structural support, and expert sealing to ensure long-term durability. Poor installation can lead to air leaks, moisture issues, or structural problems that negate the benefits. Working with experienced window professionals ensures your investment performs beautifully for years while meeting local building requirements. A smart upgrade with lasting impact. Custom bay windows are more than a design trend. They're a strategic home improvement that enhances beauty, comfort, and value. For Houston homeowners looking to elevate their living space and attract future buyers, custom bay windows are a timeless upgrade that pays off in both everyday enjoyment and long-term return.